Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Dub Copy Trade Anyone. So as you can see, we have it here on the website and the Play Store. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a trading app that will let you copy the experts or the pros or the politicians. So for example, if a politician trades this, you can also copy them and trade. You can also copy the experts and what they're doing. So you can also invest in Dub Premium. You can get unlimited copy trading, portfolio creation, leaderboards, weekly newsletters, and VIP support. So if you're wondering if this app or this website is legit, I have it here on autonomous.ai. So this person goes over on what is Dub, if it's actually worth it. So here's a step-by-step guide. So you just sign up your account, deposit funds, browse and select portfolios to copy our portfolio, monitor and adjust your portfolio, create and upgrade to premium for more features and a lot more. So what he liked about Dub is that it has intuitive and easy onboarding. So these are basically just the pros and cons. Social investing experience that feels engaging. Fractional investing makes it affordable. Responsive support that listens, and that's basically it. So here are the cons. So what Dub still needs to improve: trade executions isn't always real time. Portfolio transparency needs work. Hidden fees that sneak up on you, that's a red flag right there. Lack of risk guidance on educational tools. Focus on flashy features over core functionality. Privacy concerns during sign up. And yeah, that is basically it. So you can basically just read on, do some research before downloading this app if you want to actually invest in it. So yeah, this app is legit. However, I don't know if it's actually worth the time doing this. So if you want to download this app, I advise you to do your own research before downloading this app and see if it's right for you. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.